Guys, let us make some Jamaica pumpkin rice. First thing first, I have all my ingredients here. So I have some pumpkin that I cut, I have onions, I have a pepper, I have green onion or scallion, I have thyme, and I have a peg of garlic. Now I have some pimento that I'm going to use to season the rice. I have coconut milk, is a must for sure, and I have some cup noodle, I have salt. I do not use a lot of salt, but yeah, I have butter, I have Maggi season. Maggi season is a must for me. I love using this Maggi season. And just in case you're in Canada and you want to get some Maggi season and you don't know, you can buy it on Amazon. Amazon is quite expensive though, but you can get it at Walmart. Not all the time Walmart have it, or Loblaws. I get this Maggi season at Loblaws. And the rice that I'm using here is basmati. I don't know guys, but for some reason I just love this rice so much. I don't know why, but maybe because whenever I use this rice, it come out perfect, just the way that I like it, shelly and nice. Yeah. First thing first, you want to put your water on the stove to boil. After the water start boiling, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your pumpkin to this water. Ensure that you do not use a lot of salt, because remember the Maggi have salt as well as the cup noodle, so you don't want to use too much salt for your food to be salty. Now you're going to allow this pumpkin to cook. Also, you can grate your pumpkin or you can blend it. It's all up to you, but for me, I went ahead and I cut it in small pieces. So once the pumpkin is cooked, you want to go ahead and start adding your ingredients. So I start by adding my coconut milk, and as I said, you don't want to miss out. If you miss out anything else, do not miss out on coconut milk, because coconut milk is what give it the flavor. You want to add some cup noodle. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to start adding your green onion or your scallion, wherever you're watching it. All depends. Some people call it green onion, some people call it scallion, but as a Jamaican, it's scallion for me. Then I'm going to add some onions, and I'm going to add garlic, pimento, thyme, some butter, a pepper, and I'm going to add some Maggi season. Then after I add all these, I'm going to give it a good stir. Stir all the ingredients together and allow it to boil before I put my rice. So I ensure that the flavor is blending perfectly before I add my rice. And you want to do the same thing too. You just don't want to put all the ingredients and then you add the rice, right? And guys, you can have this with whatever you want to have it with. You can have it with some nice Jamaica brown stewed chicken. You can have it with some curry chicken. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to have it with, just go ahead and do so. Now I wash my rice and I'm going to put my rice inside the pot for it to cook. So once my rice is cooked, I'm going to go ahead and have it with some brown stew chicken that I prepare as well. And if you want to know how I prepare my brown stew chicken, you can watch the video in this description of how to prepare brown stew chicken. I'm going to place that video in the description box so you can watch it. Yes guys, so I allow the rice to cook, and after my rice is cooked, this is how it looks. The color is so amazing guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. It is delicious and you should definitely go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate the support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Stay safe and God bless you all. Bye.